I should be over all the butterflies.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you already know, it's gonna be about this wig, okay? This wig is from, child, how you pronounce that name? Ashimary. Details, links, all that is going to be in the description box. But this is their Kinky straight. Y'all know I love a good Kinky straight. It is my #1 favorite hair texture from these wig companies. Like, I just can't get enough of it. This is 250% density, okay? It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It came with, oh, before I get into that, you guys are about to see, or you're already seeing me unbox the wig, just showing you guys what came in the package. I really love that it came with a razor, the cap, of course, because I always use the caps, and what else did it come with? Oh, the little elastic band to hold down or to lay your lace or melt it into your skin, child. It really does this thing. If y'all not using these elastic bands to lay it down, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is 24 inches, and it came with what they said is 4C edges. So they're saying, they're trying to promote that it is a very natural hairline and all of that. My experience of what I got, I needed to pluck. I needed to prep this wig. It just wasn't my vibe, my style. So that's exactly what I did. I prepped it and plucked. Ooh, you gonna break the mirror, mamas. Thank you. So like I was saying, I definitely needed to prep the wig, and I feel like it is freaking, I feel like I did my thing. I feel like the lace is super thin on here, which made it very easy to blend. I just used my contour powder like I normally do. But yeah, the install for this was very easy for me. I used the Bold Hold Extreme Cream. So the construction of this wig. It came with adjustable straps, which I love because it really makes it fit snug on my head. I'm sorry, my daughter's in here rummaging through my stuff. So, adjustable straps. It came with combs. It did not come with an elastic band, and I was a little bit worried because I've just been feeling how easy it is to install when you have the elastic band. But I will say, didn't make a difference. It still was very easy to install, to fit on my head, and I'm an average cap size wearer. So no problems there. This texture usually is very thick on its own, but this is 250% density, like I mentioned. Like, it's thick, okay? So I did take my flat iron, just ran it through really quickly, just to tone it, okay? To make it look a little bit more well put together. But it is still giving thick, it is still giving texture, it is still just giving, okay? I freaking love this wig. This wig is definitely staying in my stash. Okay, keeping it. But yeah, I think that's really all that I have to say. Oh, did I say 26 inches? It's long as hell, okay? Long, gotta love it, gotta love it. So I'm 5'4". This is coming below my belly button, child, like. Okay, so the last thing that I want to mention is that I did go ahead and use the bedhead wax stick just to lay down the flyaways, and it wasn't a lot of flyaways, so just a little bit of that goes a long way. You don't need a lot because, child, it will make your hair greasy, so make sure you're just mindful of that. But that's really about all I have to say. If you tried this texture from this company, leave a comment down below for the girlies, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
Bye.